Yeah, just step away a little bit, that's it. Just a special appearance in the film, so I had a good time, it's fun, it's cute.
So any Hollywood projects in future?
Nothing like that.
Actually, my camera was in there. What are your expectations with the film?
With Fool and Fun? I hope it will do well, I hope kids will enjoy it. And I've done a cute little special appearance in the film. So, let's see. The film is very, very funny, very cute. But in real life, Ahmed is funnier and way cuter also. It comes from him. Actually, he doesn't need to direct the film. He just has to put a camera on him 24 hours. Full comedy film.
Did you get to meet Mike Tyson there?
No, I didn't. You met?
I met.
How was it shooting him?
Great, fun. He's an easy guy.
You shot him.
Hit him.
And who's your favorite comic character again?
In this film, outstanding Paresh Rawal. Paresh Rawal and Suresh Menon. I love them both. They're too good in the film.
And otherwise, who's your favorite comic character?
What do you say about your track? Like,
It's a full cartoon.
yeah, Vivek, what do you say about your track, the one which is on the chart? Wow,
Kalsa. I love the song. Thanks to him. He's the one who got me my first Himesh Reshammiya hit song. So yeah, it's a big hit
But
and
if you see the
very
way it is
exciting.
shot, it is keeping his style in mind. There's no dancing if you sing the song.
Yeah, he decided. So he shot it, he styled it, he did everything in the song. It's just me copying it.
The film has got this
Good
teen
guy.
element to it. How you used to dress up when you were a teenager? Now it's changed.
Similarly, but not wearing jackets, that's all. That time I couldn't afford jackets.
So how's your wardrobe like?
Like this,
Like what?
like this.
So what's your favorite dress? What do you like to wear?
Comfortable clothing. I like jackets and t-shirts and everything.
This is basically lucky.
Ahmed had a vision and he designed the look, and I hope it works, and I hope from the reaction I just got in there with children who are loving the film, I'm really happy because for me it's more important than Ahmed liking the film was Azan liking the film, who's his son and who's my friend.
Favorite superhero character? There's Spider-Man and there's Wonder Girl.
Who's my favorite superhero character? Sunny Deol. Superhero, ultimate superhero. See you guys.